Somebody gave us a new truck. Our old heavy hauler has been slowing years of projects. And just as we had a new project, it needed even more love. The guy that bought this new truck for us asked me to make some videos about it, starting with, why does it have to be so ugly? First, I want to address the ugly of our previous heavy haulers that left behind a huge cloud of stinky exhaust. The nasty stench would often last more than an hour. Any aesthetic that eliminates that is a giant leap in the right direction. With this alone, this truck is 100 times more beautiful, to me, than any truck that creates exhaust. I'm an engineer. I enjoy a design that moves the technology forward while ignoring the pissing and moaning of the marketing department. My understanding is that the design for this truck is to last 6 times longer than other trucks. So, one truck replaces 6 disposable trucks. To accomplish this, it makes sense that the look of the truck will need to change. This will frustrate the other truck makers who are spending billions to say that this truck sucks, all because they don't want people to buy this one truck instead of 6 of their trucks. Another design element is to cut annual operating expense of the truck by 85%. Oil companies are spending billions to say that this truck sucks because they want you to keep giving them money. This truck was designed by people that have been to San Francisco, where vehicles are regularly broken into. I guess this truck prevents that. Along those lines, construction workers will get tools stolen out of their work trucks, and this prevents that too. Smart engineering. And Doc Brown has some thoughts about this look.
Are you telling me that you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
The way I see it, if you're gonna build a time machine into a car, why not do it with some style?
As for general aesthetics, before getting this, whenever I saw one, I marveled at it and wished I could have one. I've never had that feeling for any other rig. I'm a gardener and an engineer. I think that this is the most beautiful thing on the road. I also think that anybody calling it ugly might want to contemplate if that bit of real estate in their head was paid for by naughty entities that desperately want your monies.